This is another video brought to you by the Ichiban Productions. Like, comment, subscribe. So welcome everyone, happy days are here again. We're back with another tech review. This time we're looking at a product by Anker. It is the 3-in-1 cube with MagSafe. So what is this product? Basically, if you've got Apple devices and you want a portable charger and you want to charge it all in one place and you don't want loads of plugs and all these cables going everywhere, this is the bad boy for you. What this will do is it folds away so you can take it on your hollybobs with you. But basically, it can go in your bedside cabinet, it can charge your AirPods, it can charge your phone, and it can charge your Apple Watch all in one. Super convenient, super expensive. Let's find out, is it worth the money? Taking a look at the outside of the box, here we go. We got the product itself all folded up and unfolded there. It says it's adjustable charging services, it's compact, it's 3-in-1, it's MagSafe. I think it's meant to be one of the first proper authorized, dare I say, MagSafe compatible Anker. I got this from Amazon. It was on Prime Day. I know you can go into the Apple shop and get it as well. So, you know, it must be good if they're willing to endorse it. 15-watt fast charging. We got ourselves made to travel, adjustable, European and British plugs included. So if you're going away, you can use that there. There's another picture of it from the back, and there we go. On the back, we've got some specs. You can read it there, but you know what I think about reading. I think it looks super premium. It looks amazing. I love Anker stuff. You know I love Anker stuff. I've got a link to other Anker stuff I've reviewed up here. So I'm a big fan already, so that's pluses. Anyway, that's enough talking. Let's crack it open and let's see what's inside. Boom, cheeky cut. I have unsealed the seal. It's time to open it up. I can honestly say there's a bit of weight to this as I was cutting through the seals. Nice heavy cardboard box around it. You know, it's premium here. Oh, and there we go. The glorious visage of the cube itself. Dare I lift it up? That has some serious weight to that. I can tell you something, you won't want to throw that at someone because that would leave a mark. Super weighty there. On the bottom, it's got a rubberized bottom, so it ain't going to be sliding everywhere. Let's put it to one side and see what else we've got. So I heard a cheeky rumour. When I say a cheeky rumour, I mean, I know for a fact it comes with a plug and a cable. It surely... Ooh... I thought that was going to lift up as a single unit. What we got here, we must be the documents. Let's have a look. Cheeky look at the documentation. What do we get? We get ourselves some sort of warning. Don't chuck it in the bin. Quick start guide. Nice. And then look at the warnings on there. Not reading that. Let's have a quick look at the quick start guide because it could help us start real quick. We got the picture of the thing there. Plug it in. Adapt it. Unclick it. Press it in. Pull it out. And there we go. Stick it on to charge. Charges the phone. Charges everything. Well, clearly, it's not going to charge through the Apple Wallet. That's amazing. Make sure it's fully on the stand. This is quality guide. Thank you, Anker. That was amazing. Question is, what we got next? This must be the little plug I'm thinking about. Let's... Ooh, doesn't want to pop out. Whoa, that is awesome. That is way smaller and more compact than I was expecting. I was expecting a huge Anker plug for this beast. No way. There we go. We got ourselves USB-C there, Anker. Got the flick out. I guess that's European, is it? Oh, I guess it's European. I'm in the UK, so, you know, it must be European. I guess there must be some sort of adapter in there. Let's check out this as well. We've got ourselves the cable. We've got USB-C to USB-C. Bit disappointed it's not a braided cable. You know, it's just a normal it's just a normal plastic one. Let's open it up and see how long it is. Probably want to try and use the real cable for it. 15 watts max, I think, is it? Something like that. Yeah, I mean, let's move it off camera so I can actually open it up. I'd probably say that's about 1.5 meters, maybe. Yeah, about 1.5 meters cable. Look how messy this unboxing's getting already. And last but not least, get that out of the way. What we got? Ooh, we got the adapters here. We got, that's the UK plug one. That's the one that I'm just gonna want. Nice. Don't know how that's gonna get on. I'm gonna have to pause the video and have a look. And I guess this. Oh, no way. That must be an American socket. American one. And then we got ourselves... Oh, this is epic. This is getting even better and explains the ludicrous price that this was charging. We got ourselves a European one. Although it looks like a shaver socket. Probably not going to use that, but nice. And there we go. I've ripped it all open. Let's tidy it up and have a closer look at the plug. I'm not gonna lie, I am legit over the moon impressed with this. I can't believe how small the charger is. After carefully looking online, because I'm an absolute noob, yes, that is an American socket, so if you can take it to America, boom, plug it straight in. And then we got ourselves our European one here, and we got ourselves our British one. Now, to swap and change, I mean, I thought this kind of pulled up. It doesn't. No way. That basically slides. I don't know if you can see that. Could just literally just slide in like that. Boom, you got yourself a British charger. That is, honestly, I know this is designed for travel, but I didn't think Anker would have thought of everything. You know, I'm really impressed so far. Anyway, let's move the plugs out the way. Let's have a closer look at the actual charger itself. So like I said initially, there is some serious weight to this. So there we go, that lifts up. Ooh, I was worried about how like flimsy that would be. MagSafe, of course, 15 watt. Let's clip the phone on. Does it? Oh, that is, whoa. That is actually really secure. That ain't going nowhere. You can have it straight up. You can have it in side mode. I think the side mode would be pretty cool. Whoop. There we go, side mode. And that side mode there is obviously, you know, when they have the, I think they're having like a new dashboard, I think, in iOS 17. So that'd be perfect for that. Let's move that out of the way. We've got ourselves our space for a wireless charger on the back. The AirPods are going to fit onto there. And then on the side, click, and out it comes. We've got ourselves our space for our Apple Watch. And there we go. Then there's a charging light on the back as well. Ooh, there's a bit of like mirrored there. Can you see that? That's a fingerprint magnet. Anyway, pretty good. Overall, build quality looks good. I'm really impressed by the plug and the flexibility to travel around the world using it. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to just sit here and say 10 out of 10, buy it now. We're going to have to use it for a bit. So for me, it's going to be a couple of weeks. But for you, it's a few seconds. I'll be back and I'll give you my honest opinions. Was it worth the money? Let's find out. Boom, and I'm back. Like I said, I'll be back. It's been a couple of weeks, and I can honestly say I have fallen in love with this Anker charger. It is an absolute thing of beauty. It has cleaned up the bedside cabinet, which I know the fiance is very pleased about. It's just one device all in, and it just works. It just works. Poor Hibbert, if you know what that's about. Yeah, it managed to do all 3 charging points with just a single charger. I've not got it plugged in at the moment, because, you know, it just charges. You don't need me to prove that to you. However, I do want to talk about a few things, a few nuances, and a few things I really like about it. So let's first of all, let's get all the devices on, and let's show you it all packed in. So to start with, the Apple Watch charger. So I read online some people saying, oh, the Apple Watch doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. You have to click it in. Out it comes, and then it comes out to there. And then I agree, if you just put it out like that far, it's not going to fit it on properly. You've got to pull it out that little bit extra. So make sure it's pulled out fully. Put the Apple Watch on, and yeah, MagSafe, boom, straight on. Real good grip. It's not going to come off. It works a treat. There's no problems with that. Next up, let's just show you the phone bit. So you could have the phone flat if you want. Make sure you got a MagSafe case on it. It clips on. You see it just sort of clips on like that. Then what you can do is you can have it flat if you want. You could have it sideways. I mean, I do know with iOS 17 they've got the new dashboard, so that fits a treat like that. Or of course you could have it straight up like that, whatever works for you. Now the one that I was most curious about is this contactless charger here. So it is a Qi charger here. Now my AirPods Pros, looks like that, are in a rubber case. Yes, if you plug it on with the, even though it's got that bit of a rubber there, if you put it on there, it will charge. However, I think to get the smoothest charge and the nicest connection here, you can just put it on a bit like that, and it will charge. Although I've just realised from looking at the camera, you cannot see any of that. But yes, let's tilt it. There you go. Just, whoop. Not MagSafe, because he's only the gen before. I don't know if it's magnetic actually. But anyway, there it goes. Puts it all on. It charges it all. It is an absolute thing of beauty. All in one. Travel. Amazing. Yes. Any more words to describe it? I love it. So last but not least, you're going on holiday. All you do, put it back down. Clip that in, and there you go. In the bag it goes. The only negative I can really say about this is I think for the price it should have had a carrying bag or something like that. For me, you know, I could put it into different things. I've got this lovely little carrying pouch that I got for Christmas from the fiance. It could go in there, or you could go super special if you're posh, and you could maybe have a Selfridges bag for it to go in. Anyway, I do think Anker should have provided a bag. So if Anker, if you're listening, you need to think about adding a bag for this. Other than that, I absolutely love it. So time for a star rating. So with that in mind, for this travel 3-in-1 Anker charging kit case stand thing. I'm going to give it about 5 stars out of 5 stars, and it's getting the Ichiban seal of approval. I think this is an amazing product. It is a little pricey, but you know, you get what you pay for. It's a high quality product. I mean, they even sell it in the Apple shop, so you know it's not just cheap tut. So I would highly recommend it. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It just works. It charges all 3 things at once, and they're all fast charge. It's not a slow drip charge as you think it would be. It is quick, it is fast, it is rapid. Highly recommended. I've linked it in the comment section below. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so if you do want to buy it, feel free to use my link and chip me a couple of pennies. It would mean the world to me. So with that in mind, you know what I'm going to say. If you enjoyed the video, give it a cheeky thumbs up. That tells the YouTube algorithm that it's a good video, and other people can make an informed decision about whether this product's for them or not. If you've got any questions or comments, post them in the comment section below. I reply to each and every comment. If you've got anything to say, you will definitely get a reply. Don't worry about that. And most importantly, could you press the subscribe button? It means the world to me. It's a second for you, but it helps me on the journey as a independent YouTuber who's trying to find his way in the world. Go on, press the subscribe button. With that in mind, you know what I'm going to say. Look after yourself, take care of the people around you, and most importantly, stay out of trouble.